If you're seeing the Epic Games Too Many Requests error, don't worry. In most cases, this is just a temporary rate limit block, and the fastest fix is usually much simpler than people think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear it safely, step by step, without making the issue worse. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is stop trying to log in, recover your account, or refresh the Epic Games website over and over again. That can keep the rate limit active for longer. Instead, completely close your game client in the EpicGamesLauncher. Don't just minimize it, close it fully. Then go to the bottom right corner of your screen and check the Windows System tray. If you see the Epic symbol there, right-click it and choose Exit. This makes sure the launcher is fully shut down in the background. Now comes the most important part. Wait a full 15 to 30 minutes without trying to sign in or access Epic services. I know the part is annoying, but this cooldown period is often what clears the error on its own. While you wait, avoid repeated login attempts, repeated password resets, or constantly opening the launcher again. After the cooldown period, we'll clean out the cached data that can sometimes keep the issue going. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. In the field, type %localappdata% and click OK. This will open your local app data folder. From there, find the folder called EpicGamesLauncher and open it. Inside that folder, go into Saved. Now look for a folder named Webcache. You may also see similar folders like Webcache_4147 or other Webcache variants. Right-click each one and delete them. These cached files can sometimes store bad session data, and clearing them gives the launcher a fresh start. Once that's done, restart your computer. This helps make sure everything is fully reset before you try again. After the restart, open your default web browser. For the cleanest test, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a brand new Incognito or private window. This is useful because it avoids old cookies and cached login data that might interfere with the Epic sign-in process. In that private window, go directly to the official Epic Games Store website and complete the account action you are trying to do, whether that's logging in, recovering access, or continuing the sign-in process. Using a fresh browser session often helps the request limit clear properly. If everything worked, you should now be able to continue without the too many requests message. The key is patience first, then cache cleanup, then a clean browser session. And, just to be clear, if the error is still happening after all of that, the issue may simply need more time to expire on Epic's side. So, give it a little longer and avoid hammering the system with repeated attempts. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games Too Many Requests error, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, PC fixes, and quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.